Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair Retinol Pro Plus Anti-Wrinkle Eye Cream, targeted eye cream for wrinkles, dark circles, formulated without fragrance, dyes. Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair Retinol Pro Plus Hypoallergenic Eye Cream for wrinkles, dark circles. Retinol Anti-Aging Eye Cream targets wrinkles, dark circles around the eyes for smoother skin. Night Eye Cream features a retinol formula boosted by patented technology for dramatic results. Micropeptide complements the retinol target the visible effects of collagen-depleted skin. Eye cream from a dermatologist recommended brand provides softer, more hydrated skin instantly. Top reviews from the United States. Simple and budget-friendly. Beginner-friendly, and you don't even need to have super wrinkly eyes to start using this. The ingredient is quite mild and you can incorporate this into your nightly routine since retinol is quite important and beneficial to use early on. This is budget-friendly for what it offers and you can get it almost anywhere.